mother's dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns when we're together. There are no wrong turns. You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drive slow.
Ready?
Yeah.
We are in Jungle House. Very tired face. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sister.
Когда гости уходят трезвые. За каждым столиком. Согласны, да?
Больше на спонсора похож.
Все, у нас есть победители. Два парня, молодцы. Аплодисменты нашим победителям.
嗨，早安！今天是我在爱尔兰的第2天，今天天气超好的，所以我们要趁就是在明天下雨之前把握今天的好天气，所以很期待等一下不知道会去哪里散步，然后享受这个慢步调的爱尔兰，超期待的。这是我第3次回来，我真的觉得终于有那种夏天的感觉，因为我上一次回来的时候是12月，那时候冷到爆。12月之前是6月份回来，也是很冷。6月份的时候带很多短袖，然后一件都没有穿到。这次真的是能穿多清凉就多清凉，但是因为今天天气太阳很大，所以穿了一件这个很薄的衬衫，然后擦点防晒。因为我觉得欧洲的太阳都是非常那种很烫、很炽热的，就是你会觉得晒到那种皮肤里面，你会觉得痛，会晒到痛。所以我今天出门之前防晒上得很足，不是怕晒黑，是很怕晒伤。然后我们现在在加油。
Come and sit here for a moment. Come and sit here for a while. Music and the atmosphere will make you happy and make you smile. Don't walk by. Give it a try. city for a moment. Come and join the
I'm Rob. This is Andrea. And we're like two raccoons that found each other on the end of a trash bag. You're on one side.
Smoking in the back.
Oh yeah, well that's actually true. Two raccoons
smoking a cigarette.
smoking cigarettes. I don't really smoke anymore.
Beautiful.
That's a love story. And listen to music.
It's beautiful.
God couldn't have wrote that better.
Two raccoons
himself.
that aren't climbing that mountain today. What's it doing?
Maybe Rob change to Dre.
Oh, I don't like that.
Yeah, take my face.
Feels like a
Wanna try pork belly? Because Josh might lick my toothpaste. Wanna try? Yeah. What is the piece?
Zoom in.
Oh yeah. Took his alcoholic virginity.
So you have to buy it.
Come on, yeah. Wanna get filmed? Are we gonna throw money in?